Okay lah. Okay ah, boss. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye. I will now show you the inbound inspection process. Okay, this is the container that arrived at the station. So we will be using the Android tablet to do the inspection. So the checklist is on the tablet itself. Next we will proceed with the inspection. Okay, this is the electrical charging cable box for the RKN E1, where you have the electrical charging cable. So you have to pull out the whole cable before you can connect to the electrical main for charging. When it is plugged in for charging, there will be a blue light blinking. So it should come on after 10 seconds. Okay, the blue light is blinking. It shows that the container is charging. If the container is fully charged, the blinking light will become a steady blue light. Okay, next we check for the function of the control unit. Okay, make sure that the buttons are all working good, up and down. And now we are checking for the main switch. And also to check for the adapters. There should be 5 adapters in the adapter box. So now we have 4 here and another one that is used for charging. So this is part of the checking during inbound inspection. Okay, next we are checking for any damage on the containers. So we are looking for holes, the inside of the containers needs to be checked as well. So this is checking for any cracks or broken door seal. So the door seal is also important to ensure that it is airtight. This is part of the air guide where you can put your hand to feel the air coming out. There should be air coming out of the air guide. And now checking the bottom of the containers, the base. And also we need to check the roof for any damages. Sometimes there are damages on the roof as well. So basically this is part of the inbound process, and this is to determine if the container is serviceable or damaged. Okay, next we will do the outbound inspection. Outbound inspection is a process where we do a last check to make sure that the container is serviceable before releasing it to customer. Okay, so for the outbound inspection, very important that the main switch is turned on. Okay. So now we are fastening the thumb screws. There is also the checklist to follow, so we will still use the same tablet for outbound inspection as well. An additional step for outbound inspection is cleaning. So we have to clean with a vacuum cleaner to remove any dirt inside the container. Sometimes there can be wooden debris or dirt inside the container. You can also use a broom to sweep out the dirt if required. The outside of the container needs to be washed as well to remove the dirt and dust. So they will be shown in a separate video. And after checking the container, make sure that there are no damages, no holes. And the final step will be to put on our Envirotainer door seal. Okay, and this will be done on the door lock, and this shows that the inside of the container has been checked and it is serviceable. So this is after completion of outbound inspection and the container is ready to be released to customer.